Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you retake BeReal. So guys, at first make sure that you already have an account in BeReal app, and if you already have an account, just go to the BeReal app. Now into the BeReal app, here you can see a take your BeReal option. Click on it. After clicking it, click on the camera to take your BeReal. Now here you can see in the top right this cross icon here. If you don't like your BeReal, just click on this cross icon. Now just click on the camera again to take your BeReal. If you again don't want to take this BeReal, you can just click on the cross icon again, and you can just take your BeReal as long as you want. And if you like your BeReal, just click on the bottom send option here. So guys, that's how you can retake BeReal. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.